So I've been a lawn care professional for about 9 years this April. Now, I walked away from this channel for a while, but this year I'm going all in and I'm bringing you with me. Let's go. In the past 9 years of being in this business, I've seen so much to the point where I want to help pros and homeowners learn everything they know about their yard. And that's from knowing your numbers, how to grow your grass, all that. That way both can learn at the same time. Not only on this channel will you get tips, yard transformations, equipment reviews, honest reviews, and how to run your business behind the scenes. This channel is going to be for pros and homeowners, so that way both can learn everything. I'm going to be posting every Sunday once a week. So come back next week and check out and see what you can learn. All right, it's Mr. I Got You. Like, comment, follow for more. Peace.